but more Willem. Pigs make me sneeze. Bunny makes me sneeze. Cat make me sneeze. Cats make me sneeze. Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball was wearing a hat. Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneeze. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more often? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be together. Then we must be what's that say?
Forever.
Forever or forever. But Gerald, do not speak. It is too late. Chill. Goodbye. Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. And Bunny is a rabbit. And Cat is a
Poo cat.
Pussy. Cat. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo.
Sit there.
Great. Great. Now, cats make me sneeze too. Chomp. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. What was your thing? What?